Hey everyone, today I want to talk about two things. The first one is that we need to improve our UV map, and the second thing that I want to do is I want to put my logo onto this front leg. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm not sure if you can see that because of the YouTube video compression, but we have some glitches, distortions and stretching issues here and here on this corner and here in front. That's because of that we use subdivision surface modifier after we unwrapped our drone. Because now normally our model is this dense. You see how big the face is and how close these edges to each other. But I'm gonna show in edit mode. When you apply our subdivision surface modifier, let's uncheck this optimal display. Our model is going to be this dense and our edge loops are going to be stretched towards each other. So what we need to do here is that first we apply our subdivision surface modifier, then we unwrap our model again. So let's do that. You can click this arrow and apply, or hit Ctrl A and apply the modifier. Now select everything and hit U, unwrap, and as you can see it's not stretching anymore and it looks almost perfect. Can you see this line here? This is our seam, and texture, as you can see, does not continue. That is what I was talking about. You see the edge, the texture pattern is not continuing. Never mind. Let's go back to the second thing, which is this. I want to put my logo to here on the front leg. To do that, we need to separate our legs because I want it only one leg. So apply mirror modifier. Now we have two legs in one object, so we need to separate them. To do that, get into edit mode, activate X-ray and box select, then hit P on your keyboard, select separate selection. Now we have two legs and we have this one. Now to put our logo or our channel name onto this leg, first we need to check our UV map and save our layout. Go to UV editing. Okay, let's isolate our leg and let's just delete this backdrop and see our UV map. In edit mode, select everything, rotate it, make it straight, move and scale a bit down like this, and here where I want to put my logo, channel name and this is this big flat face. So we will need to save our layout, hit UV and export layout, go to folder and don't forget to check all UVs and modify it, rename it UV layout and go to whatever photo manipulator you use. I use Premiere Pro, Photoshop. Let's open up our UV layout. Let's make a new layer and text. Click and type our channel name, your Blender journey. To see it better, I'm gonna make another layer, move it down, and background color. Select our text and place it, scale it down, place it here. Okay, now we can delete the layers, only the text, and save it as UV layout PNG file because we are gonna need alpha channel. Okay, go back to Blender. Let's go to shading tab and click our leg, and you see we have this gun plastic material. It is one of the 5 instances, which this 5 number means this material used in 5 times in this scene. So if I change this one, all the other ones are going to change. So we will click this number and make a unique one, gun plastic logo. So let's add another image texture, which is our channel name, image. I'm sorry, screencast keys doesn't work. I'm gonna hit Shift A and type image texture, open up our UV layout logo. If you use Node Wrangler add-on, you can Shift and Control click on your image texture to preview, or any other nodes to preview. As you can see, our logo stands upside down. There's two methods to fix this. You can add a texture coordinate system mapping nodes to rotate it, or you can go back to your UV editing and select your layout. Maybe you can UV layout, what our texture called is UV layout 1 PNG. So UV layout 1 PNG, this is our logo, and this is our UV map. So select all and rotate it 180. Now when I place it right there, fix this problem. But yeah, this is the first solution. Or you can leave it like this, go back to shading. In this mapping control node, you can rotate on x-axis 180. Where is it? And move it down a bit. Maybe on the y-axis. And scale -1, -1. Yes. So we needed to, we needed to scale it on x-axis -1, which means flip it. And yeah, we found the solution. It's just try and fail, but we found the solution, so it doesn't matter. Alright, this is our logo. Now we need to stack this logo image onto this material. To do that, we will need to fix two shaders. This is our light material, and that's a diffuse shader. Because we don't need reflection. Maybe we will need reflections. Okay, let's put another principled BSDF shader and plug this logo image as our base logo, base color. Now what I'm gonna do is Control Shift and right click this, drag this shader onto this. Now we will have a mixed shader, and as you can see, it's okay. We can see our channel name now, but it changed the color of this other material because we didn't plug our alpha channel yet. Now when we do it, we will need to swap our shaders. And now, yes, so we did it. We put our logo onto our drone, and it looks very nice. So let's go for rigging and animating our drone. I'll see you in the next one.